my YouTube channel. Today I'm here in front of my empty fidget box because what was that? Fidget box. Okay, don't mind that. I have all my fidgets. Don't mind me. I'm a mess right now. I'm not a mess right now. It's just I just woke up. I'm still in my PJs and I'm just making this video for fun. So I have these two things that I'm going to be working with. I'm going to be putting one in this middle drawer. I have an idea of where they're all going to go. They're going to go in the same spot they've been going in, but they're going to be more organized. One in here, and one in here. They're going to be in the same spot. Now, this is going to be right here. I'll show you the finished products after I do it. Those in there. First, I'm going to start with the top drawer, which is Poppets and Dimples. I have a lot. That is not one. Okay. First, I'm going to be starting off by getting all the mini Poppets and Dimples. Okay guys, I have my triple dimple, my simple dimple, my simple dimples, my dimple spinner, my cone purse, and this. And I'm going to be putting these inside of this little glue thing. And then I have my two dimples. And then all of this. So we're going to be putting that up. Here's the organized product. Okay guys, I have all of my fidgets right here except my Poppets and Dimples and then my stress balls. I'm gonna be putting those up, so that'll be fun, I guess. The finished product. Okay, now here's the easy part. Finished product. I accidentally made this glow up, but that was probably the easiest drawer. I mean, stress balls are probably always the easiest drawer, so yeah. Thanks for watching. Guys, I don't know why I said thanks for watching in the previous part where I showed you this, but if you enjoyed watching, make sure to hit that thumbs up, comment down below which drawer was more interesting to see me struggle to do, and well, yeah, and then subscribe, of course, duh.